Hello YouTubers, Vega Vibers. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. Finally, I put the exhaust in. Well, it's not a full exhaust, but it's an exhaust. And it's all in. It's tight. Except for that one. Oh, okay. I still have some pliers here. Okay, that's that seat needs to be the bolt needs to be tightened up. Since I work alone, I have to put some grips on here and then turn it up top. But the exhaust is in. It took me about a day and a half to do this. And yes, I know I should have recorded it, but you know, it's hard to record when you're frustrated working on these cars. You know, nothing seems to work, so you have to make it work. Anyway, so the biggest problem I have is that this side, the passenger side, hangs down a little lower. And I tried my best to get it up a little bit. I don't know, I might have gotten a ½ inch out of it. And so what I did was I heated this pipe here. I got it red hot, and I took that 2x6 and that floor jack and I wedged it right here, and I pumped it up. And I also wedged a piece of wood here. Oh, where is that wood? It's around there somewhere. It's all burnt up from from the torch. And as I was doing that, I noticed that it was putting a lot of pressure on it, and the car started to lift. And of course, that's not good, because how do you lift a car if you have a 2x6 here and you're pumping it through the header? So now I think it's a little loose up there, so I have to go up there and hopefully I can get it tightened back up and I didn't ruin anything. But the exhaust is in. That's as far as I'm going to go with it. I use clamps. I didn't weld it because this is stainless steel. This is steel, and that welder's from Harbor Freight. I don't know if you can see it. There it is. I've used it once. It doesn't work too good. I guess it's okay, but it was a lot faster to just use clamps. So that's what I did. The cable for the shifter is in. Don't mind these colorful zip ties. These are going to get swapped out for some black ones. Let me get a light here. You guys can get a better view of the shifter cable. Wraps around, goes back there, comes out right there. The transmission hub, I don't know if you can see that, but there it is. It's right there. And then what I use to put the shifter in is nut inserts. I didn't use the nuts and bolts that came with the kit. I thought it would be a lot easier to remove it if I have to, just to put nut inserts in there. And so that's what I did. And then I used stainless steel bolts, nuts and bolts for the seat. And so you can see this one there, right? Look how close I came to the brake line with the drill bit. And then on this side, look how close I came to the fuel line. Really close. Maybe that's why I smell fuel. Who knows? But it does smell like it has a fuel leak somewhere. I'm not sure if the tank, I don't think it's a tank. It may be the grommets or rubber hoses. They've been on there since 1968. Not sure, but I'm not going to worry about it right now. It's just a little smell. What else did we do? Oh, we also changed out the pitman arm. There it is. That thing was really, really loose, and amongst all the other parts that are pretty worn out. But I'm not going to do that. I'm not going to take another 2 months to get this done. It's a lot of work, and I just don't have it in me right now. I want to drive this thing already. So we're just gonna go with the pitman arm, and we're gonna get 2 new tires. We're gonna go with I think these are 215/60R. Yep, 215/60R15s. I'm gonna go with 65 just to ride just a little higher. Set the suspension with the torsion bar a little higher so I won't bottom out. As you can see, you guys already know, look at that. That was the first day I went out, and that can't be good. Anyway, oh, I also have the carpet. The carpet is in. It's complete on the driver's side. I have to finish up the passenger side. It needs to be trimmed. And then of course these holes, you know, it's pretty hard to find them from the top just feeling around. So what I did was I set the carpet where I wanted it, and I didn't drill, because if you drill through it, you'll ruin the carpet. It'll pull the strings and it'll ruin the carpet. You guys know. I think it's happened to everyone. Anyway, there is one more that needs to be done. That's this one here. Well, you know what? That's the last one. All the rest of them are done. Let me show you how I did that. Don't laugh, all right? Here we go. So what you do is you get a punch. You get this punch, and you get your torch, and you make it red hot. Let's get it good and hot. Okay, that's good and hot, red hot. So what you do is you grab your drinking water, Poland Spring, and then you run over here and you push it through, and it'll burn right through it. There you go. All right, and then you drop it and run up as fast as you can in case you started a fire. Doesn't look like it. I don't even see the smoke. Anyway, you pour your water on it if you do start a fire. I know that's not the way to do it, but I couldn't figure out any other way. It worked for me. It worked for all the other ones, all of these here. Anyway, I don't know if you can see the carpet, but there it is. You know what? Let me, I think I can take the car down now, start it up, and take it outside. So, give me a minute and I'll be right back. Damn it, man. I finally got it down. I can't take it off the lift, because the planets never align for me. It just started raining. Look at the clouds. Can't even take it for a test drive. Unbelievable. So, I guess I've been out here all day. I'm done. I'm tired. I'm just gonna shut this down and go in the house. And maybe we can pick up we can pick this up tomorrow morning. Hopefully it'll be nice and sunny so I can take this damn thing for a test drive. The exhaust is looking really good though. It's looking sharp. Anyway, I'm going to take my coffee. Yeah, that's not it. Where's my coffee? Oh, there it is. I bought this coffee about 4 hours ago. And I'm just going to take it in the house, microwave it, and drink it. Anyway, folks, listen. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I appreciate you guys. And we'll pick this up tomorrow morning. I am too tired. I don't even know what to say. I'm done. I'm done. But it's starting to look really good in there. I don't know. Starting to look like something. You know, all black interior with some green. Got the 6x9s in there looking nice. I need to put the rest of the seating in here. Finish that up over there. And hopefully I can put up a video tomorrow and we can go for a ride. We can test out that Quicksilver B&M shifter. It looks really good on there. So we'll see how it works. Anyway, folks, I'm done. I'm tired. My back hurts. My feet hurt. Everything hurt. That's what happens when you get old. Things just start hurting. So I guess I'm going to leave this video right here. We'll try again tomorrow, folks. See you soon. Bye.